Hey fam, welcome. My name is MagdalineJanet. If you are new, welcome to the fam. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and come visit me on TikTok and Instagram because I'm literally there daily now. And of course, welcome back to all my oldies but goodies. So you guys, half of the face is done because I wanted to add all my cream products. So I actually started off priming the skin with this e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. It's a gripping primer, so I let it sit on the skin for about 2 minutes so we can get that gripping effect. Then I went in with this new Makeup Forever HD Skin. I am in the shade 2N34. Added this with this Morphe brush. After I finished blending it, I sprayed with this MAC Fix Plus to really give the skin a beautiful finish. And I swear this helped the foundation last all day long. After that, I went in with the Patrick Tall Blush Duo in the shade She's Baked. Added some of the cream blush on my cheek. It's such a beautiful blush. Oh, I love this. Lastly, I went with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in the shade Soft Tan. Blended it out with my brush. I sprayed the brush again with some Fix Plus because that does help the blending out. And then we blended it out with the sponge. And here we are now. Full face, well, kind of. But you guys, I'm so excited. You know how much I love Huda Beauty, and she released a new setting powder shade. It is called Cherry Blossom. It's a soft pink shade. And shout out to my girl Danielle because she actually told me about it. I completely missed it on Instagram, and I'm like, what the hell? I'm always on the lookout, you know, but I was able to get it on time to show you how it looks. So if you're wondering what's the deal with that, I feel like lately it's been really popular having a bright pink undertoned under eye. I personally like using cool toned or concealers that have a pink undertone because it really just helps color correct. That's the reason I do it, but I feel like it's very popular, especially since Kylie usually has a very bright pink under eye along with like the blush. So I think she really popularized that. So Huda Beauty, being in the know, came out with the pink setting powder. I've never tried a pink setting powder, and Huda Beauty setting powders are bomb. If you don't have them, it's worth the splurge. And she recently released some mini shades. So girl, hopefully this one comes in a mini, but I see in Sephora there isn't a mini quite yet. So fingers crossed. So this is how the powder looks. Typical packaging, the square, and then here it's Cherry Blossom. It's very similar. This pink looks a lot pinker in person than online. I thought it was a lighter pink, but let's see, let's see. I'm so excited. Oh, okay. It does have a smell. With Huda Beauty's powders, they do have a scent, so beware. It's not too strong though. It reminds me of like cake flour. You know the boxes, the strawberry box cake, but it just like looks so yummy, you know? Okay. Oh shoot, no. Wow. Oy. I just spilled. Of course. Actually, let me show you the shade now that we have. Here, no. Let me show you on my phone so you can see what I'm talking about. Look, that's where I spilled. But you see how pink it is? It has a good toned pink, and I feel like this would really go with a lot of skin tones, which is important. I really appreciate when brands think about other skin tones because we're not all the same tone. Actually, before we start, let me give you some info about this. This is the Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. It retails for $34. It now comes in 8 shades, with Cherry Blossom being the new one. It is available at Sephora. This creates an airbrush long-lasting complexion that blurs the appearance of pores and fine lines and holds makeup in place all day long. That's literally what we need. I have oily skin, so I do have bigger pores. I wear my makeup, you guys know, for at least 12 hours, and today's gonna be a long day because Boo and I are gonna go to the movies and dinner. I'm so excited. We're gonna go see Batman, so it's gonna be a long day. So I think it's a good day to test this bad boy out. So let's grab some. And this is a setting powder. The difference between a setting powder and a finishing powder: setting powders set your makeup. Usually it's a little more on the matte side and it gives you more of an airbrush flawless look, versus the finishing powder, those usually just finish up the makeup and they have glow. I find with a lot of glowy powders, which are finishing powders for the most part, don't really work well for the under eyes or the lids because that shimmer and glow creates a little bit of texture. So just keep in mind the differences. This is a matte setting powder, but it's not too matte. I'm gonna get my powder puff, which I usually always use, and then I get these on Amazon. I'm gonna even out this powder. pink. Maybe if I back it up. Oh yeah, you see it. Yeah, the pink tone. Actually, let's do one side first. I'm gonna do this right side. See how there's this darkness here? Let's see if the powder gets rid of that. All I'm doing is tapping this powder in with my powder puff, kind of going from the beginning of the eye to the end, and then working the rest to the other side. Oh wow, I see that tone. I see it. I see it. It does give a little, yeah. You see, giving us the pink tone. Okay, wow. But is it too pink? Let's see. Let's see. Turning down the lights. Let's blend this in a little more. And it's okay if I got it on the blush. Oh, you see the difference? Here is the set side. We do get the tone of pink. So it's nice. Thinking it's gonna warm up. And here, you see how we have a glow? And I purposely use the Makeup Forever foundation because it does have that bit of a glow. So, okay. Wow, okay. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Let's change it up. On the other side, let's use a brush. Something like this. This has a good little, no, I think I need something denser. Something a little more dense. Let's use on this side. I typically don't use brushes, but I want to just give you a second option. I'm going to use this little brush from Real Techniques. You see this shape right here to set the under eyes. Again, I'm gonna set looking up. This brush, grab the powder, and remove any excess, and then let's just kind of, you see how this brush just fits nicely? It's actually a foundation brush, but you know, we multi-purpose everything here. Just set down. Oh yeah, it's giving us very similar smooth effect. So this is the powder puff, and then this is the brush. I like the pink tone. I feel like it just melts into the skin. We do look very matte, but we know why, because it's a matte powder. So what I'm gonna do is just add a little bit of bronzer, blush, speed it up, and then we're gonna reset. Cutting in because I forgot to tell you the time. It's 11:30. Okay, we're going back. All right, fam. Comb the hair, change the shirt. Because I don't know, I think I want some more shoulders out, you know? Ooh, look at the skin. Look, looks really, oh wait, let me fix that eyeliner. It's always dangerous to fix the eyeliner because you know, but okay, look at the skin. Ooh, look, it looks really smooth and I feel like it just melted in, right? Love this. And you see how the pink, you can't really see it. I feel like it really melted into the skin very nicely. Oh, and actually, let me look at the under eyes. The under eyes, you see how like you can't really see the dip or the darkness. I purposely didn't use color corrector because this powder, it has that color correcting color. See, there's no creases. It doesn't look dry. It looks smooth, which is what you want in a setting powder. A setting powder should work well on the skin, under eyes, and on the lids. We like a multi-purpose product, especially when it's high-end. Cool. Of course, let's do this flashback test. All right, 1, 2. Girl, flashback where? Here, let's even back it up so you can see. It's like nothing like everything matching your shoulders. That's probably why I wanted to show the shoulders so we can be matchy-matchy and the neck and okay, I'm so excited. So of course, let's go in front of the window so you guys can see how everything looks. But I'm very, very pleasantly surprised with this shade. I feel like this is gonna be my go-to favorite shade because I have the banana bread shade, but I feel like it's too dark for my under eyes. I'll go lighter because she does have 8 shades, but I feel like this one would be perfect for a lot of skin tones. This powder could be everyone's new favorite tone because it just works for everything. Yay! Okay, oh, and my lip color is this e.l.f. mauve lip liner and then the Maybelline More Stone lipstick. Love it. And of course, I'll link everything down below. Let's go in front of the window so you guys can see how it looks in daylight. And it's new now, so we have some sun, I think. So yeah, okay, see you later. Bye. So I thought we had more sunlight, but it's very gloomy and I forgot it did rain yesterday. So look at the skin. Look at the under eyes. Look how smooth and nice they look. So let's get close. I don't have any highlight on, so you can see how the skin warms up throughout the day because we're gonna be here all day long. But look, I just love how it doesn't look pink and it looks like skin. It kind of looks like a foundation powder, right? But a lightweight type. And look, you see the neck, shoulders, it all matches. Ah, I'm so excited, but okay. See you later, bye. I'm back. So, oh my gosh, it is 11 o'clock, legit past my bedtime. I'm so sleepy, but I had to wait until the last hour because you guys have to look at this skin. I did get some footage at around 3 o'clock. At this point, it had only been like 3 hours, but this is the only time I could get some sunlight for you to see the skin. Skin was looking pretty good, I will say, but what I'm most shocked about is how we look right now. Look at this skin. A little bit oily, but you know, I have oily skin. I'm always gonna be oily. But look how blurred the skin looks. Like, where are the pores? We do not look gastadas. And girl, I'm like already in bed in my pajama pants. Look. Pajama pants on deck. I just need to wash my face and I'll be good. Look. Oh my gosh, this skin, the blurred effect that I'm getting, and also just the shade. Today I felt like my skin was so beautiful. It didn't have any kind of white cast. I feel like some setting powders do that, especially the lighter one. I just love it. This pink powder is my new go-to and favorite powder, and I really just love the shade of pink Huda Beauty came out with because it's not too light. It's not like the translucent powder that has a small tint of pink. This is like a full-on pink setting powder that would just work beautifully every type of skin tone. And this blurring effect, oh my god, oh my god. Let me touch up and see. Skin's gonna look bomb, I just know it. And like I told you guys, I went to the movies today. We saw Batman and we just went to dinner. It's been a long day, but the skin, it doesn't look like we've had a long day, right? Oh my god, I love when I don't look gastadas, and I feel like I felt really pretty today. Today was just like one of those good makeup days, you know? Just wanted to do a quick check-in and show you guys the proof in this with my hoodie and everything because I'm freezing. Look at this box it comes in. It's just so cute, huh? Like, love it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and of course, thank you guys for always being here and hanging out with me and spending a little bit of your day with me. Please let me know your thoughts on this. Have you gotten it? Will you be getting it? Do you shop Huda Beauty? Let me know. You guys know I'm always hanging out in the comments, and I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the button right there, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.